Hello and welcome back to Life After Boys. The first real blizzard of our year started yesterday, so I spent 2 days working on things that normally are forgotten about in the house. So hopefully you'll clean along with me, you'll remember to do those little extras, and most of all stay warm.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. What the hell am I doing this for? Lying here on my bedroom floor, finding peace in the memories of you. I wasn't missing a thing. I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
So each quarter I go through the fridge. Our fridge pretty much stays clean because we eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. We do more of a plant-based diet. So quarterly I'll go through it and I'll just check expiration dates and I'll rearrange as new seasonal foods come in. So like you see cabbage and squash and stuff are larger than the summer foods. So here we're just rearranging the fridge and going through the dates, making sure that everything is all set for all the winter foods.
I keep a photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
our library for most people in the house is a pass-through. You pass through it in order to get to the kids' bedrooms, the guest bedroom, or the bathroom. Other than that, nobody really hangs out in here besides the dog. So the most that I do is twice a week I'll go through and I'll vacuum it, and maybe quarterly I'll go through and I'll dust and I'll pick up and straighten things around. But it really doesn't get much use, so it's more or less a forgotten area of our house.
Forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were.
And the final two things that you'll see are the coffee maker getting cleaned. I do this about every other month. We do drink a ton of coffee, and we like our flavored coffees. We usually get burial grounds, which is flavored with oils, and it builds up if you don't maintain it. So we clean this, or I clean this, I should say, about once every other month. And the same goes for the last thing that you're going to see, the vacuum cleaner getting done. Having animals that shed a lot, I have to clean out the parts of the vacuum at least once a month or once every other month in order to keep the vacuum working at its best. Otherwise, I'd be replacing it, I think, maybe every 6 months, every 7 months, with the amount of fur that these animals leave me.
My love, my summer love, been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
Just a side note, the cleaner that I'm going to be using in the blue spray bottle is a homemade cleaner that consists of water, vinegar, and essential oils. It's non-toxic and safe to use on anything. To prove this, my youngest son thought that it would be funny to spray it in his mouth until he realized that essential oils don't taste very good. Neither does vinegar by itself.
Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah, sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. Don't lie to me about your chance about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes me drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right. But just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your chance about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right. But just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your chance about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown. But what you want and what makes you bad. And give me a chance to make things right. But just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more.
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
I wanted to show you guys clips of me putting the vacuum back together, but unfortunately I didn't hit record when everything was dry. I hope that you liked what you saw. It was more like a maintenance type things on some items in your home. If you like what you saw there, go ahead and join our community. Hit the like button and the subscribe. Make sure you do the notification bell so you know when new videos come up. And let me know where you're from and what you're doing, what you cleaned along with me today. All right? Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
So when you stop